Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am eating a full English breakfast. Now this is a breakfast that we have in England and it's kind of the same as you'd have in America, but our sausages are kind of different, I think. And we have fried bread, which is an English tradition. We have some baked beans, which are kind of beans in your country, in America. I'm just talking to Americans. I mean, like in America, you have like sweet beans. I have a massive hash brown, which I made from scratch, and 2 eggs. So guys, I have some orange juice as well. Before I go ahead and eat, I just really want to, guys, it's frightening times out there, and I'm so worried about the C word. I won't say it. Probably won't get demonetized. I probably won't get monetized. So I just want to wish you all kind of, all the kind of luck, and please, wash your hands, take hygiene really seriously, and, I can't speak today, as usual. Look after yourselves, because this is a really scary time, and I am beyond stressed out, guys. Like, it's unbelievable. So, let's get on with the mukbang. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow. Oh my God. Mmm. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that ASMR part. Mm. I am so full. The hash browns are literally my favourite thing. So, so good. Mm. It's so easy to do as well. Mm. I'm so full. Yum. So guys, I want to kind of talk about what, you know, what I was talking about earlier. I mean, I am so scared. The country, I believe, will go into lockdown because I've just never seen anything so dramatic. It feels like I'm in an apocalypse movie, you know? You know those movies where on Netflix that you watch, and you would never in a million years think that this would happen to you. I'm very, very worried financially. I'm very worried what's going to happen to me. But you know what? We're all in the same boat. I know that doesn't really help console a lot of people. For me, it doesn't. It does make me feel slightly better, but we're all going through very valid emotion and, points. And I just want to say that, I am here for you guys. And the future seems so crazy. I mean, they've shut down, bars and restaurants and movies. Like, everything is shut. And it's like, how? And the only silver lining is that, stores are not going to be shutting. And guys, there is a lot of food for everyone. There's plenty of food for everyone. All this panic buying, it needs to stop, because there's people out there that really need food. And, I've talked about this in my other video, and can't get the food because everyone's buying it all in bulk load. Like, the food is not gonna, we're not gonna have a shortage of food. That's not the problem. So just, calm down in that sense. But I've never seen anything like this, guys. It is honestly so scary. I mean, I'm sure I heard that people were saying that the world was going to end in 2020. And I honestly think something's going to happen. Some sort of zombie apocalypse. I don't even know, guys, but it's fucking frightening me. So, as long as you self-isolate, guys, don't go to places where there's going to be a lot of people. Really look after yourself. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Me and Chris are fine. My mother's fine. My sister's fine. My stepdad is fine. So, luckily we'll be fine. It's my birthday next Tuesday on the 24th of March. I'm going to be spending it indoors. I wanted to go out. I wanted to go to the Ivy for something to eat, but I can't. Anyway, wish me all happy birthday for Tuesday coming, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.